Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raya Ramadanti from PBIB, NIM 2220205062. The work The Village Medicine Man. Medicine men and northern doctors. In most urban and suburban areas throughout the world, sick people are taken to a doctor's office or to a hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken. Instead, priests and psychologists, some of his folk methods are similar to those of an urban doctors, but most are very much different. The difference in mind is viewed as something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, and other small things that we can see without a microscope. By contrast, in much of the world, the disease is considered to be something supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead is the result of deep anger, broken religious laws, the hatred of enemies, and so on. An urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. A medicine man, however, treats the whole person and often the patient, family, and friends as well. Prevention of this case. Of course, there may be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness. A modern physician might tell his patient what to eat, how much to experience, when and how to relax, and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tells his patient to wear a amulet, special necklace for protection against bad spirits. Nevertheless, in both village and urban societies, people do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis. The first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor or the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, both ask about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headaches, stomach aches, insomnia, skin rash? But the similarity in methods is there. The doctor's next step is to give blood tests, take X-rays, any other. While the medicine man involves supernatural methods, he might ask the patient about his dreams, use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the stars, or go into the trance, a condition of deep concentration in which he doesn't function normally, in an effort to contact spirits or other beings outside the world. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, this solution usually means one or more of the following: the same method that are used from prevention, healthy food, rest, and exercise. Perhaps warm bath or massage, drugs, or surgery. Likewise, folk medicine includes some of the same cures as in the diagnosis. However, a medicine man also use a wide variety of supernatural methods in this course. Two of the most common are exorcism and soul hunt. Exorcism is based on the belief that this is caused by bad spirits. Thus, in an exorcism ceremony, the medicine men perform a number of traditional activities to take the evil beings out the victim's body. Songs, dance, and religious prayer are part of any exorcism, and soul hunts include them as well. In these ceremonies, the medicine man tries to pursue the victim's soul, which are believed to have left their bodies to return. A typically tribal ceremony. The Nambuk people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of the relative, friend, or enemy. This emotion, they say, causes the thought to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger and to create disease. When the medicine man ditches which body part contains the evil tooth, he calls together the victim, relative, and friends to watch a ceremony, at the end of which he removes it from the patient's throat, arm, leg, stomach, and any others. Although the pain and the villagers know what has happened, that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time the patient is often called the Nembut ceremony is typically treatments around the world in which stones in search of small spears are taken out of sick people. Despite scientific evidence that disproves the effectiveness of such methods, the fact remains that the treatments are often successful and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by the modern physician. The success of medicine men. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatments and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic, and the people who participate in the belief deeply in the symbols. Even Western physicians agree that patients with deep faith believe in good. Their doctors, the drug they take, image or symbols, will regain their health faster and patients with little hope. Second, ceremonies may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about the cure. In addition, these communal meetings provide socially acceptable opportunities for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychological problems can be solved along with the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, scientists theories that the trance part of the ceremonies produce certain chemicals in the body, which then work to help cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine man's natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn from the methods of tribal medicine men. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.